Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Okay, my name is Mrs. Ness-Ana. And guess, hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Okay, my name is Mrs. Ness-Ana. And guess what? We have a new topic today. And our topic is what? Animals and their babies. What did I say? Our topic for today is animals and their babies. Okay, before we go to the class, I want you to touch on that subscription button just down below your screen. Have you done that? Okay, let's go. All right, welcome to the class. Are you ready to learn? Of course, I know my friends are always ready to learn. All right. Now we said our topic for today is animals and their baby or animals and their young ones. Can you repeat after me? Animals and their young ones. Very good. What are we trying to say? Okay, we simply mean what you can call the young one or the baby of an animal. I said that what we're trying to learn today is what you can call the baby or young one of an animal. Very good. Let's go. Number one. Number one is a pig. Can you spell pig with me? P-I-G, pig. Again, P-I-G, pig. And the baby or young one of a pig is called piglet. Can you repeat after me? The baby or young one of a pig is called piglet. Very good. Number two. The next one is goat. Can you spell goat with me? G-O-A-T, goat. Again, G-O-A-T, goat. And the baby or young one of a goat is called kid. Can you say that again? The baby or young one of a goat is called kid. Very good. The next one is dog. Again, dog. Can you spell dog with me? D-O-G, dog. Again, D-O-G, dog. Very good. And the baby or young one of a dog is called puppy. Oh, that's very cute. Oh, I love this. The baby or young one of a dog is called puppy. The next one is cow. Can you say that? Cow. Can you spell cow with me? C-O-W, cow. And the baby or young one of a cow is called calf. Again, calf. The next one is cat. Can you spell cat with me? C-A-T, cat. Again, C-A-T, cat. And the baby or young one of a cat is called kitten. Again, the baby or young one of a cat is called a kitten. The next one is sheep. Again, sheep. Can you spell sheep with me? S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Again, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. And the baby or young one of a sheep is called a lamb. Again, lamb. The next one is chicken. Can you say that again? Chicken. And the baby or young one of a chicken is called a chick. Again, chick. The baby or young one of a chicken is called what? Very good. Thumbs up for you. The next one is horse. Again, horse. Can you spell horse with me? H-O-R-S-E, horse. Again, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Very good. And the baby or young one of a horse is called a foal. Again, foal. The next one and the last is the Lion King, the king of the jungle. Can you spell lion with me? L-I-O-N, lion. Again, L-I-O-N, lion. And the baby or young one of a lion is called a cub. Again, a cub. Now we'll take it again for the last time and then we move on to a home practice. A baby pig is called Piglet. A baby goat is called Kid. Again, Kid. Thumbs up for you. The next one is dog. A baby dog is called Puppy. The next one, cow. A baby cow is called a calf. The next one, cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. Again, a kitten. The next one is a sheep. The young one or a baby sheep is called a lamb. Again, lamb. The next one, chicken. A baby chicken or the young one of a chicken is called a chick. The next one, horse. A baby horse is called a foal. The next one, lion. A baby lion is called a cub. Very good. That will bring us to the end of today's class. Now, your home practice. Don't forget, when you do your home practice, you get the opportunity of appearing on Ness-Ana TV during our birthday week to wish our friends a happy birthday. Now, I want you to tell me what a baby animal or the young ones of this animal that I'll be mentioning is called. Number 1. I hope somebody is with his or her pen or pencil. I'm sure you don't want to forget that. Number 1. Pig. Tell me what a baby pig or the young one of a pig is called. The next one, horse. The next one, sheep. The next one, lion. And the last, dog. Can I take it again? Tell me what the young one of these animals is called. Pig, horse, lion, sheep, and dog. Very good. That will be the end of today's class. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope most importantly that you've learned. Okay, friends, welcome back. I hope you enjoy the class because that will be the end for today. Okay, oh my God, you didn't know what happened. I just saw that that is a swan. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my God, that is actually a swan. Can you see that? Oh, that's a beautiful swan. Oh my God. Okay, I want you to add this to your homework assignment. Tell me what a baby swan is called. What did I say? Tell me what a baby swan is called. Okay, don't forget to be the first to do your homework assignment and submit it because when you do, you get the opportunity of appearing on Ness-Ana TV just as you can see me in our birthday week to wish our fellow subscribers a happy birthday. Okay, that will be the end of today in this class. Do take care of yourself and don't forget that Mrs. Ness-Ana loves you.